Play KHUBOR season 4 Kapag sa IP and channel on KHUBOR. Saya lada dia sin menikong pi ni channel angker pat pi pen subscribe. Kenang ma pin miss video ka bang upload ma. Dia mi result join personal interview. Udah join ka post grade 4. Tengah yo ka notification dia. Kata dia arpo tarik ma sa dun ma. Dia boleh ka post join ka grade 4 ma. Udah jaga government Meghalaya Office of Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Hills District Mera. Dia ngan supli kan dia kena report test kau na. The result of the personal interview post grade 4 2025 conducted by the District Selection Committee Eastern West Hills District on 20 March 2026 is hereby declared. The list of successful candidates recommended by the District Selection Committee in order of merit are as follows. Dia beri notice bang parliamentan ma. Dia beri ka post grade 4. Dia result jangka personal interview kala declared ma. Dia beri ka grade 4 was conducted by the District Selection Committee Eastern West Hills District. There is hereby declared ma kumpiin ta. The list of successful candidates recommended by the District Selection Committee in order of merit are as follows. Tingin ni pet mata ki list candidates ma. Dengan pulih pen serial number 1 ma. The number 1 name Shri Serdot Lang Marwan. Itu hak kategori on reserve. Serial number 2 Semen Daya Len Marwan. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia Argaru. The number 3 Semen Su Siang Yubi Marwan yang itu hak Khasi Jantia Argaru. The number 4 Shri Wanri Kupar Paryang. Itu hak kategori on reserve. The number 5 Semen Lam Denti Thaba. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia Argaru. The number 6 Shri Sheila Star Rapsang. Itu hak kategori on reserve. The number 7 Shri Stebarson. Itu hak kategori on reserve. Number 8 Shri Ra Jingshai Rentatiang. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia Argaru. The number 9 Shri Novelan Kodo El Maulang. Itu hak Khasi Jantia. The number 10 Semen Susi Liza Warjari. Itu hak Khasi Jantia Turu. The number 11 Shri Yai Shanlang El Nongbri. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia. The number 12 Semen Mary Gold Nongpon. Itu hak Khasi Jantia. The number 13 Shri Sambor Nongsi. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia. The number 14 Shri Drax Singh Korba. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia. The number 15 Shri Draven Lingdo Nongbri. Itu hak Khasi Jantia. The number 16 Shri Rap Borlang Nongrang. Itu hak kategori Khasi Jantia. The number 17 Shri Yo Borlang Kalkrang. Itu hak Khasi Jantia. Dengan pilih ni ka po kong no. The recommendation of the candidate shall conform to claim for appointment unless the appointment authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary that the candidate is suitable in all respect. Take which benefit in the video. Agar pada video share, like, subscribe. Which benefit